Hello, I'm Kevin from CryptoMY. In today's episode, let me do a tutorial on Lbank, so let's stay tuned. So this is Lbank. Lbank is actually an exchange platform just like Binance, Huobi Global, MEXC Global, so on and so forth. So if you can look on the coin market cap, Lbank is sitting around rank 18. It has a total coins of 463 coins right now and sitting around 1 billion trading volume. So that is something. Okay, so let me get back to here and let me do a tutorial or for beginner, I would say, to teach you guys, to share to you how to actually use this exchange platform. Okay, so on top of this is actually the home page. Actually, if you look down below, this is actually Lbank earned. Okay, so I'll go through later, and this is all the pairing that you can trade. So when you go in, before even you go in, I'll actually put down the link at my description below so you guys can register an account in Lbank. So once you get my referral link, once you register an account, once you log in, and this will be the home page, and this is all the pairings that you will see. Of course, if you want to see more, of course, you can always go to the trade, whereby there is spot trading, there is derivative, futures, and ETF, there is earn, there is even bonus center. So when you look at bonus center, this is the interesting part whereby you can always get some rewards, cashback cards, all these rewards, so on and so forth, by doing simple tasks. So what are simple tasks is, if you trade more than $1,000, you're able to get $20. If you participate in the Lbank earning, you will get reward 200 USDT Lbank earning bonus for 30 days. You can see a reward of 5 USDT equivalents to BTC if you buy crypto via credit card, so on and so forth, which is a very good thing. If you have to register an account here, just go and participate all these bonus center and claim all these bonus, which is very easy to claim. Okay, so for example, if you want to buy crypto via credit card, right, you can just go and click this button, go buy credit debit card. Okay, so click this button and you will able to see, you can able to buy cryptocurrency USDT using these merchants. So there are plenty of merchants here. They have their own rates here, and you just purchase it directly using Visa or MasterCard. Simple as that. Of course, you were able to buy USDT, BTC, ETH. Just key in the amount and just buy it. Okay, so it's very simple. So once you have purchased it, I believe that you will have your USDT in your wallet. And what you're gonna do is either you click market. Market is like you see the overall what sort of coins, tokens that they have offered in Lbank. So Lbank, it has its own LBK token, so which this is actually their native token. So if you want to buy their native token, go ahead, because with their LBK tokens you can do all sort of things, which I'll explain later. Okay, so there are plenty of coins here, which is up to, I think, 500 tokens here that you can play with, which is good enough. There is spot market, there is futures market, and the difference between spot and futures market is, spot is like you are buying the share market. For example, you buy Apple share market, and you take this BTC as the share market, so you are buying Bitcoin as a share market. So you buy and you keep, you won't lose anything unless you sell it away. You sell it away at a lower price, of course you lose something, but if you don't sell it away and it drops, then it's just considered as a paper loss. All right, it's as simple as that. So buying and keep, it's easier to say it's under the spot market, whereby in futures market you are using leverage to trade against a pairing. For example, if you trade IMX against USDT, you can either long it or you can short it using the leverages. Okay, so I'll explain futures later, and let me go through spot trading. Let's say you want to buy spot trading, right? Just click on spot trading and you'll be able to see this chart here. So if you are good at analyzing using the tools, I think there are plenty of tools that you can use here. And this is actually the trading view chart, which is perfect enough because they have all the sufficient tools to analyze the market. Okay, so on the left side is all the tokens. On the right side is the order book and also the recent trades. At the middle, of course, you can place your order here and there. For example, if you want to buy at, for example, at this pricing. For example, I just want to buy at 0.001. So I just input at 0.01 and then I just put the amount that I want to buy. So you can see the total amount of USDT I need to pay to buy this 10,000 worth of LBK. Simple as that. If you want to sell, of course, you just go back to here, just put the amount. For example, I want to sell on 0.15, then I just put the same amount of 10,000, then I will get back $150. Simple as that. Of course, this is if the price touches this area or this area. Okay, so simple as that. Of course, if you want to make a quick buy, you can always click around here to just buy directly from them. So this is the seller and this is the buyer. It's easier to say. Okay, of course, here is monthly, weekly, daily, hourly, minutes charts. There are plenty of them. Okay, let's get into the futures. If you are planning to do futures, you want to trade with using leverages, you want to short or do long, then you always can go into derivative, either ETF or futures trading. So ETF, there's no margin, there's no liquidation because you are buying the tokens like how you buy in spot. Of course, ETF is slightly different from spot. I will explain it in another episode, but let's get into futures trading first. Okay, futures trading is called perpetual swap futures trading, where this is you need to open account, where you can always do long or short. So you can see here, open long, open short, and this is the buying price, this is the selling price. For example, if you want to sell at this price, if you think that the price will go down, then you click short at the selling price, how many amounts. For example, if you are selling against you are selling BTC USDT perpetual swap futures, then you are selling again this BTC amount. All right, so you can always play with limit, market order, stop limit, and stop market. Simple as that. So this is actually a tool to help you to do some risk management, to check whether how much margin ratio you have, how much margin balance you have, balances, unrealized P&L, and so on and so forth. So this is actually a risk management tool for you when you are trading the future trading. Of course, you have calculator here. If you need some calculators, you can always click on the calculators. Lbank provide them also. So of course, if you want to go into, for example, grid tradings. Grid tradings is another way of trading where you can create some strategies like auto, manual, buy or sell, where you can always set the grids. For example, you know grids, right? Grids like you just click here, horizontal line, just put one horizontal line here, another horizontal line here, another horizontal line here. This is how you actually do the readings. Okay, so readings is you just set, right? I believe that they automatic set for you. So when it touches the lines, then it will buy for you. Touch the line, it will buy for you. Touch the line, it will buy for you. It will do the hedging for you. So buying and selling, it will do also. So you see the trigger price, profit price, stop price, it will actually set, and it will come up with some grids, which is cool. If you want to use this is a very good tool for you to do reading strategies or grid trading. Okay. Other than that, of course, there is Earn Apollo, whereby you can actually use LBK, and if you have LBK, you can participate in Apollo events. So whereby LBK is actually the native token that I mentioned earlier. So if you have LBK, you are able to participate this event. For example, if you click on it, right, you can always invest on using your USDT to put how many USDT you want, and you just click join now. But the criteria is you need to have at least more than 50,000 LBK to participate this event. So if you have LBK, remember to buy some. If you want to join this event, remember to buy some LBK, and it will be good for you to join these low events. Other than that, of course, there is flexible whereby you can deposit to earn. It's like a fixed deposit. So you can see flexible is flexible whereby you can always put in your Bitcoin into this fixed deposit thingy, this earn, where you will get rewarded every single day. So the APY is here is about 4% per year per annum. So if you want to, like, not trading anything, you can always stake your coins here. For example, if you have USDT, you can always stake your USDT here and get 6% APY. So if you want to trade back, you can always withdraw it from the earn, and this is flexible. You can withdraw anytime. If you are at lock meaning that it has staking period whereby you cannot withdraw anytime. So if you return that's 15 days, then it will be 15 days. If you return at 360 days, then it will be 360 days. So no matter how you click it, you won't be able to withdraw. But the good thing is your APY will be much higher compared to flexible. All right. So if you are not trading, if you're not into trading, you want to be staking all the time, go ahead. And the last but not least is the NFT. So NFT, Lbank have their own NFT platform where you can purchase all sort of arts. You can even sell your arts here. You can even buy your arts here in this Lbank NFT. All right. If you are some sort of artist, you like to draw something, just post it here and wait for people to buy. Of course, if you think that this art will have value in future, for example, this Mutant 8 Yacht Club, you can buy it and you can always save it, and who knows, one day when you sell it, you can sell like $800, $900, or even 1 million. Depends on the value of the art. All right, so this is how it actually works, and this is actually the some short tutorial for Lbank. So if you want to know more, I'll put down the link at below this website so you can actually take a look about this Lbank. And to be frank, I would say it has a lot of, you see a lot of listed tokens coming into Lbank recently. It has some trading competition to keep you going back into this Lbank. It has some earnings, which is flexible earning, locked earnings that you can stick at. So all these are all plus points for Lbank. So to conclude this, just try it out by yourself. I'll put down my link, my referral link. And I think that's all for today's episode. If you like my episode today, remember to click like, share, and subscribe. I want to see you guys soon. And